Google's fall event took place on October 6 and they released a bunch of new devices to add to their Pixel portfolio. We will see about the most excited one. Google released its most recent and the secure phone, Pixel 7 and 7 Pro. Let's take a deep dive and look at the top 5 new features of the phone that performs better than its previous generation. Tensor G2. The Pixel 7 and the 7 Pro is powered by the in-house Tensor G2 chip. It is based on Samsung's most recent 4nm chipset and it includes a dedicated TPU for machine learning and AI tasks. Google claims that the G2's design aids in low power consumption for day-to-day activity, improved speech recognition and dictation, a highly secured phone with M2 Titan chip and Google's multi-layer of security, and it includes a new Mali G710 GPU for increased GPU performance, while Pixel has promised 5 years of security and 3 years of OS update for this phone. Brightness. One of the biggest complaints about the Pixel 6 and 6 Pro was that they were not as bright in outdoor conditions as other flagships like iPhone and Samsung. However, Google has increased the brightness of its phone by 25% this year, increasing the peak brightness to 1500 nits, which is unquestionably a step in the right direction. It is not as bright as iPhone 14 Pro peak brightness of 2000 nits, but it will suffice for majority of common users using it in outdoor conditions. Face Unlock. Yes, you heard me right. Face Unlock was introduced by Google for the first time since 2019, with the Pixel 4 and 4 XL being the last gen Pixel phones to use this feature. But it's finally back on this year's Pixel. It can be a very useful feature to open your device when your hand is occupied with some other task. Machine learning and newly improved front-facing camera has made this possible. Talking about camera, which is our fourth feature, Pixel has been a pioneer in camera department since its launch in 2016. Year after year, it never fails to introduce new features that raise the bar for computational and mobile photography. This year is similar to the last. The Pixel 7 and 7 Pro has the same 50MP main sensor as the previous generation with real tone capability. Google introduced real tone last year to naturally portray people with darker skin tones. The Pixel 7 Pro has a new 12MP ultra-wide lens with 114° field of view, while the Pixel 7 Pro has a new 12MP ultra-wide lens with autofocus for the first time. It has a 125° field of view for wide-angle shot, macro focus to capture tiny objects with precise detail. It also has a newly updated 48MP telephoto camera with 5x optical zoom and 30x digital zoom, courtesy of Google's Super Res zoom technology. Google claims that they were able to double the magnification of optical lenses using Super Res zoom. That means we can get images up to 10x optical zoom quality from the available 5x optical zoom. Zooming on Pixel 7 is limited to 8x. Both the Pixel phone support 2x zoom from the main sensor. Both Pixel have an updated 10.8MP front-facing camera with 92.8° field of view for wide-angle shots. All camera in the Pixel 7 series can record 4K 60fps video and we can now switch between cameras while recording 4K video. Google has also introduced cinematic blur, which is a portrait style video that focuses on the subject while blurring the background to create a bokeh effect. It also have active stabilization for more stable video, 10-bit HDR and audio speech enhancement. It also includes a guided frame, which is an accessibility feature that allows blind and low vision people to take better selfies with voice assistance. Face Unblur was the most important photo feature of the event. This is a feature introduced on Pixel 6 series that unblurs a blurred shot taken on 6 series using the image from both the ultra-wide and main camera lenses. They went a step further this year, implying that we can unblur any photo taken in the past with any camera with a single tap. Wow, just wow, no more blurry photos. A phone with this many features is normally priced around $999, but Google has played the cards differently here, which brings us to our final feature, pricing. The Pixel 7 starts at $599 and the Pixel 7 Pro starts at $899, which seems like a pretty good deal for the feature it offers. Pre-order have been available since October 6 and Google offers gift vouchers based on your location. Please leave your thoughts on the Pixel 7 and 7 Pro in the comments and please subscribe to our channel for more tech news. Let's meet again in another video.